Our final category contains all those IoT services that live within a large-scale cloud infrastructure, such as Amazon AWS IoT, Google Cloud IoT, and Microsoft Azure IoT Suite. These services all provide complete MQTT and REST APIs and have the benefit of being tightly integrated with the storage and compute products that are at the core of each company's respective cloud offering. For the advanced developers that regularly work with other cloud products provided by these platforms, their IoT cloud APIs might be a familiar and obvious fit, with benefits that include sophisticated deployment tools and a robust security model. On the other hand, a first introduction to these services can be a bit intimidating, as you soon find yourself generating X509 certificates to authenticate your devices and navigating the nomenclature and white papers that come with the territory. Here's some trade-offs to consider. The ease of getting started versus applicability for larger deployments and customization, whether you need an off-the-shelf solution or you want to build your own, the quality of documentation, any examples, how-to, and community support, if it exists, the platform longevity, the vendor reputation, and their overall business model, whether you want an end-to-end platform or you're going to mix and match multiple services, is anything open source, who owns the data, your dependency lock-in and migration options if it doesn't work out. Okay, that was